still plus 6 through 12. This is hole 13, par 3, 280 feet, I think. Basket's pretty straight back. We got some trees in the way. We're gonna try to go to the right, curve it around with the zone. Hopefully we end up with a birdie. I feel like we could have made a birdie on the last couple if we just got the tee shot right. Alright, that's now 3 straight tee shots that have slipped. It's pretty muddy, but I think I'm also just not shifting my weight correctly, so I really need to settle in. Alright, we are still plus 6 through 13 holes. This is hole 14. It is a 250-foot par 3. Last 3 holes have really been slipping on the tee pads, but we're back to the nice paver tee pads, so hopefully I don't slip as much. It doesn't look to be muddy. The last ones were pretty muddy, but I also think I wasn't shifting my weight the right way. It's just the tee shot. It's always the tee shot. I just got to clean it up, and I think once I see improvement in that, I'll see improvement in my scores.